Hello everybody, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in today's video, I wanted to show you how useful the Semrush MCP is and how quickly you can do an SEO analysis and reporting using the MCP with Semrush. So if you want to install it, you install it as usual in the developer section of Claude. You need to purchase token in your Semrush license because normally you're only given 10,000 by default, and that's not going to get you far at all. But with that said, once you have that nailed, then you want to go into the Claude Code section here in Claude Code, not in the chat because it just doesn't work for me. I don't know if it works for you, but it doesn't for me. So you're gonna go in the Claude Code here. You can use it in here in the terminal as long as the MCP is installed. And here I have a prompt that is already prepared that is gonna ask to analyze the position tracking data for my project ID, and I'm taking the ClickTrust project ID and generate an overview into to define the effectiveness of the keywords. I just want something short, just an example: top 3 best performing keywords and the opportunities for keywords that are ranking currently on the second page, but we could push it to page number 1. Just a little side note here: I'm asking for position tracking, but with the MCP, you can also get the keyword research, you can get backlink research, you can get site audit, you can get organic research. So there's a bunch of sections of data points that you can pull data from. And honestly, it just saves a ton of time. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So as you can see, it's executing, it's pulling the data directly from Semrush, and is writing the report right now. It's asking me for authorization. I'm gonna go ahead and authorize. Compiled a little report with a few tables just to get an overview as I have asked. And just to double check here, I can see we have 3 different, let's say, campaigns: French, English, and Dutch. Just to double check, our visibility in English is 32.37, and if I check here, it is correct. And if I want to check, let's say I just want to check a keyword, I can check my keyword here. And currently for the keyword, the Google Ads agency, I'm in the wrong project. And if I go into the correct project, the Google Ads agency, it says we are in currently in number 1 position with 210 search volume. So we know that the data is correct, and now we've only done a little analysis like on a little project, but I already get my top scoring keywords. And if I scroll down here, we have our opportunity, which is potentially the most important part of the report, that is going to show us what our current position is and how much it dropped. And here, what is interesting, has key recommendations. Now, this is just a little prompt, and now I could even ask to create a PowerPoint presentation. So just to show you how powerful this is, I'm going to go ahead and say, can you please create a PowerPoint presentation from this data that you have just presented? Okay, now I have skipped a little bit, and it has pulled even more data than before, and it has created a 10-slide presentation here that I'm gonna go and open for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Here is our presentation. With just one simple prompt. I have the overview. This is just for French, but you have all the data here, completely 10 different slides compiling all the data that we have just pulled from the report. And this is with just 2 prompts. If you're interested in trainings on AI for PPC, please check our trainings on clicktrust.be. Thank you.